It's your girl, Miss Natural Journey, and I am back with another video. What up to my subscribers? Hello, how do you do? If you are not yet subscribed, make sure you push that subscribe button and you turn on your bell notifications. Support your girl. I've been here for about 8 years on and off. Been way more consistent lately, so yay me. But I, want to get my subscription count up. So make sure you hit that subscription button down below. Also check me out on other platforms. On IG, my handle is natural_journey, just like my channel. And then also I have a Facebook page, which is Natural Journey on Facebook. Yeah, that's it. I'll put all that information down below. But anyway, in this video, I am going to be reviewing some lashes, y'all. I am so excited. I did a video a couple of weeks back where I just showed you guys how I apply my own individual cluster lashes. That video got a lot of views, and apparently, your girl got a little bit noticed. No, I'm lying, y'all. This is my friend's company. That was wishful thinking, but y'all, this is my friend's company. It is House of Mpenzi, and she is doing her thing. She has basically put together magic lashes. So you have a liquid liner that's also an adhesive, and you put that on your lash line, and then you apply your lashes. So she sent me some lashes to try out, and I just want to show you guys how awesome they are. I'm also going to keep them on all day because they can be as awesome as they want to be. But if they do not stand the test of time, that's another story. So my girl JoJo, she already know that I'm going to keep it real. I'm going to share with you guys my experience. So let's go ahead and open our box and see what's inside. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm looking real plain Jane right now. I'm actually about to film a Shein haul, so this is gonna be my prep for that. And I'm gonna wear my lashes during that haul as well. So, all right, I already showed you guys a little clip of when I first opened the box. I've had this for about a week now, but my schedule has been pretty hectic, so I didn't get a chance to open the box. When I did, honey, when I tell you marketing and customer service is everything, look at what I found inside, y'all. That's me. Look at me. That's me. Love it. It is just this beautiful card that my girl put together. And she basically just thanks me for she basically just thanks me for being willing to review her lashes. She gave me some extra tips and tricks down here to apply the lashes and make sure they last. And so it's the packaging for me. It's the marketing for me. It's the personalization for me. Okay, I love it. Okay, so first of all, I just opened up my package from House of Mpenzi, and listen, marketing is everything. Branding is everything. That's my face on a beautiful card inside the package. How adorable. Giovanni, you are getting it. I love it. She has some additional tips here for applying the lashes so that they last. This is awesome. I can't wait to do my review for this. I'm going to actually be filming this today. And let's see. We have beautiful packaging. I love it. Look at this. Magic eyeliner. And some extra little goodies in here. I love it. So far, I mean, I give it an A+. So far, so good. All right, so in this package, I have my magic eyeliner and eyelash kit. I get 5 pairs of lashes, magic eyeliner, and tweezers for application. So yes, and she has her logo right here, House of Mpenzi. Yes. She's also a lock goddess, so you guys be sure to check her out. I will link her channel down below, as well as her the link to her website where you can actually order these. Okay. All right, then I have a package here. It looks like it includes some tools for application. We'll see what that is when we open it, but we got that too. And then she also included an extra pair of lashes, which I love. They are super dramatic, y'all. I have a really tiny eyes, so I mean, unless I'm just doing it big, I might actually gift these to somebody else. So yeah, this might be a little gift for maybe my sister or something like that. And then this is the magic eyeliner. So pretty. All right, so let's open it up. Let's see what we gonna do here. I'm gonna open this package first because I'm curious to see what's inside here. Oh, I think this is the Magic Eyeliner Remover, possibly. Or that might be inside. Okay. All right, so this is the kit. Ah, look at all these different sizes of lashes. Yes. Oh my God, look at this. If I could go outside and do something real cute right now, I would go a little more dramatic. But you know what? We in the house. We in the house. So I'm going to start with the smallest lashes down here, the more natural look. But look at the variety. I am so excited about this. Super cute. Super duper cute. Wow. The flare on these are beautiful as well. Okay. So yes, this is the adhesive remover. That's what this is. Okay. Oh, I got you. Okay. These are remover swabs. Okay. I don't want to open it because I'm not actually using it right now, but that's what these were. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm so excited. She did tell me that when it comes to the liner, that I want to push the liner down so that it goes to the bottom of the pin. So this is our lining pin. Oh, it's really cute too. Girl style. Yes. So she said, okay, so push that down and then wait a few minutes so that the glue can actually get down to the bottom of the pin. It's been packaged, so of course it's been sitting on its side. So we're gonna do that, and then I'll be back once I'm gonna actually start. All right, so again, I'm gonna choose the smallest lashes here. And I do have my, ooh, I just popped that out with no regard, child. Okay. I do have my little tweezers here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my small lashes. Oh, wow. Look at how pretty that is too. Hold on, let me show y'all the details because it's in the details. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but if you look really closely, there are like a couple of layers of lashes. So it's not just one layer of lash. They're kind of layered on top to, I guess, give it a better wispy look. But I'm going to go ahead and cut these down to size because, again, I have teensy weensy eyes. I do have my mirror right here. So the ink is now, not the ink, I keep saying ink. The adhesive / liner is actually now fully in the tip. And I've already cut my lashes down to size, so we're going to go ahead and just get to it. I'm just going to go ahead and line my eyes. And I'm not going to do anything too dramatic. Oh, it's literally just like a liquid eyeliner. Ooh, what I like about this is that sometimes when you wear lashes, like just lashes, it kind of looks a little undone. But in this case, let me see. Okay. In this case, I actually get to wear liner and lashes. Because when I wear my individual lashes, I don't wear eyeliner. And, you know, that's a look at times when I want to look a little more dramatic. It's not that helpful. Ooh, ooh, oh yeah. That's on there. Okay, listen. These lashes held on and was like, nope, we're not going nowhere. Oh, I love this. It takes away that mess of like squeezing it onto the lash and then trying to apply it to your lash line. I can't stand doing that. That's why I just do individual lashes. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. I love it. And I'm just using this to kind of squeeze. Oh yeah, this glue is, I think this is gonna last all day. Yep, it's gonna be on there all day. All right, I'm gonna apply the second one. And you really don't even have to apply much either, depending on the effect you want. But I mean, once you apply any of it, the adhesive is there, so you really don't have to go crazy. Oh, that's really cute. Look at that. I mean, the lash itself is really pretty. The way these lashes were set on this band. Oh, that's so pretty. Listen, I was a little bit skeptical at first, child, but listen, these lashes are absolutely adorable. And look at the other options I have too. If I really wanted to go dramatic, I could go dramatic. But this little simple, is all I need for today, child. Yeah, we ready to film. We ready to film our Shein haul or whatever. Look at this. Very pretty. I love these. I mean, I believe that we are ready to film or whatever. Look at, I'm still very shocked by how beautiful these lashes are, the quality of the adhesive liner, and just the overall dopeness. I love it. So yeah, I will link my girl's website down below. It's a thumbs up for me, double thumbs up. I really, it's so easy to put on. I know a lot of people struggle with the glue and the placement and all that, the stickiness of normal lash application. This, you have none of that. It's literally you basically putting on eyeliner and then putting your lashes on top, and then you're good to go. That's it. Super simple. So yeah, it's a 2 thumbs up for me. I would definitely recommend these lashes. I love them. I have no complaints. We're going to wear these through the day, and I'll be back to let you guys know how long they last. All right, stay tuned. Hey guys, it's the end of the day, and I still have my lashes on. And they are definitely holding on for dear life. I could probably keep these on until tomorrow, but of course I wouldn't do that. Yeah, the adhesive is definitely great quality. Long lasting, and I would again give these lashes a 2 thumbs up. They are definitely long lasting. I've worn them all day. It is now evening time, as you guys can see, and they're still on, looking cute as ever. So yeah, it's a go for me. So yeah, check out House of Mpenzi with her her magic lashes, and support your girl because she is out here selling some really great beauty products. And so yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs it up, make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss another upload. All right, until next time, peace.